She's within 50 feet of us, though you wouldn't think it given the visibility of the water. Depth, 90 feet. Closing in, 30 feet. There she is, the Spartan. Been down here for almost 30 years.
That's incredible.
She's not in the worst shape either. I've seen wrecks way worse than this.
It's eerie but beautiful at the same time.
Come, Daniel. We'll do a full loop and then explore inside, okay?
Definitely, man. How'd she end up down here?
She was hit by a storm not far from here. Her crew tried her best to control her, but were forced to abandon. She hit into some rocks a little further away, and then she took on water.
Did the crew survive?
All but one.
Damn. The cabin is in good shape.
Yeah, it is, eh? Let's head for the hull, Daniel. There's a loading compartment down here.
Yeah, sure thing. Anything still in there?
Doesn't look it.
Oh, wow.
Hey, look, Daniel, check this out.
Is that what I think it is?
If you're thinking what I'm thinking, then yes. Daniel? Shit. Daniel? Daniel? Daniel, can you hear me? Oh, shit. Daniel, can you hear me? Are you there, Daniel? Surface, we've got an emergency down here. I've got a missing diver, and I think I've spotted a tiger shark.
Michael, tell me your location.
I'm about 20 feet directly ahead of the bow of the Spartan. I can't see Daniel, he's not responding.
Okay, give me a moment to try and communicate.
What the hell? Eric, I'm heading for the surface now. I need you to be directly above the wreck immediately.
Heading over now, Michael.
Hurry! What the hell?
30 seconds, Michael.